got a copy of Commodore 64, man. Take it back to 85.
Gotcha, listen.
Can you uplift me, Lord? Cycle back then. First touch that digital interface, the interface. Met a new person. Continued to be techno-poly. Hey, yo.
Gotcha,
Commodore 64 flow, pushing tapes upside and come over. On your block with Jesus selling watches. Travel the sands to know if facts owned. I'm out of but only half blown passport. This is the last short. Like we're just finishing gym class. Suspicion is dim. This isn't for life spin past the office. Speak of Muhammad, preach Moses, fasted author, drafted karma. Like Tibetan beer, yeast infection. Mother Earth's beast inception. What's my brother's worth the least? This weapon's resilient, Islam pavilion. Wrong when we started feeding arms to children. Scars and buildings, beautiful concrete and all living off an unusual bombery. And 99 names to true. It's a calm feed, but a body in conditions, anemic traditions, relieving in vision, strategic guidance to each side of the Mars, to believe in God Adams.
I hope that you listen.
Uplift me, Lord, Commodore 64, music tones.
I hope that you listen.
Uplift me, Lord, Commodore 64, through these bones.
I hope that you listen.
Uplift me, Lord, Commodore 64, we pushing tapes and shifting boards. Hit the chord, what is this for? I'm gonna die with the shit, let's go. So bring the rubbish too, like Tony Blair's orders. We singing rubbish truth, you won't be here on us. Powder printed fingers out the threats of we bug on Washington like Denzel is Malcolm X. 10 hellhole hotels in the middle of nowhere.
I hope that you listen. I hope that you listen.
Yo, call up Tom Bridge, Paul Wolfowitz. About to have a party up in here. Gotta keep yourself elevated, like them yellow terror alerts. Whenever we walk around, it seems to go up. Maybe it's just me. You gotta keep yourself elevated, for real. Terror alerts, standing peasants diverted is there at this hurt. Unfair when we flirty, we there for the world. You just share all your worth militarily. Feel it carry me above this fair and earth. My layers and earth never lived in caves. Street children kicking football, sticking soot all in trap. No stomach half full, put ball in your guts. Used to live in two butts. Truth what with bush talks and you stuck in proof mud. Spain the Martians, nauseous stain of caucus lives. Soldiers burned to death apartheid. It's a part line, part commentary. Talk the subject near in our covenant. Continents hovering, Republican parties. Waiting to strike on their side. Get the dick like Cheney's wife. Don't claim it's vice, but it proves life's pain. Stay quiet to hate mongers, strike brain. Fight say like who? They seeking a crusade like his brother Saddam statements. We won't accept it, let it be known. We've suffered death in peace, grown in action, so just leave. No more arachnophobia. I'm a nomad, but still angry. The way you
One creature, caught in a place he cannot stir from in the dark, alone, outnumbered hundreds to one, nothing to live for but his memories, nothing to live with but his gadgets, his cars, his guns, gimmicks. And yet the whole family can't bring him down out of that hunky paradise, brother.
Adam Sampler, Charlton Testing, Infernal Flash. Oh my God, it's another Iraqi. My brothers attack me with bombs, it's untrue. When I speak out, my mother would smack me from stunted youth to be blood-proof of justice, hunters tooth. Flow on the flesh, triple horn, call of the dead. I'm simply torn apart. Seems I was born for art, a dream to start the scheme. Speak from the heart, you seen. Charted, pull apart the streams, rivers and banks we gleam on boats to leave home. Fall, Lazarus built steamboats, roaming the skies around. science class, set it in office, scripted life. But I only read the synopsis, lift this mic up. Let voice anoint choice and reason. This poison seasons, frozen loins and reason chest. Prophetic gowns, he or she's the best. This is all for relief of stress and belief in gestures. So like Pokemon crashing plane, remaining draining this plastic frame. The passion flames burning the Christ incorporated with subordinate forces forge a orbit nomenclature. I die till I'm a new man like Naaman. Couldn't can and will be if the planet wills me built to sacrifice. Simple plan, ignorant man, filtered to the afterlife. Clarify the last to die first, to cast the last thirst, to quench the stench of life. Poverty, love, bench the hard sentence, glove compartment locked, shove the darkest thought under engines. Narcissus fought for his wealth and talk to himself. King Hammurabi sing bars like double vocal takes. Local socialist, local raids and moguls pay freeway. Daniel Lewis Spines, we see day once in a while. Humbling miles traveling, wondering why Babylon was under a sky amongst the all